Where did chickens originate from? Have you ever wondered where our beloved chickens come from? The story begins with their wild ancestors, known as red junglefowl. These birds are native to parts of Southeast Asia. The domestication of chickens is closely tied to human agricultural practices. Around 1500 before Common Era, the development of dry rice farming in the Southeast Asian peninsula created an environment that attracted red junglefowl. As humans began to settle and farm, these birds moved closer to human settlements, marking the start of domestication. Archaeological evidence shows that chickens were domesticated later than other farm animals. The earliest signs of domestic chickens appear in peninsular Southeast Asia. Here, rice cultivation and the presence of red junglefowl created favorable conditions for humans to capture and raise these birds. The surplus of grains from rice and millet farming provided a reliable food source, allowing larger populations of domestic chickens to thrive. From Southeast Asia, domesticated chickens spread quickly. They moved southward into island Southeast Asia and westward across South Asia, Mesopotamia, and eventually into Europe and Africa. This spread was made possible by early trade routes. Ancient Greek, Etruscan, and Phoenician traders used maritime networks that helped distribute chickens widely. Archaeological chicken remains and eggshell fragments found along the Silk Road corridor in Central Asia show that domesticated chickens were present there by at least 400 before Common Era. Interestingly, evidence suggests that multiple regions contributed to the domestication process. Ancient DNA analysis from northern China reveals chicken bones that date back around 10,000 years. This indicates that northern China may have been one of several independent centers for early chicken domestication. These early domesticated chickens from northern China likely contributed genetically to modern chicken populations. Additionally, various species within the genus Gallus, including Gallus gallus and Gallus sonoradii, probably added to the gene pool of today's domestic chickens. From an anthropological viewpoint, the domestication of chickens reflects a complex interaction between humans and their environment. Agricultural developments influenced how animals were domesticated. The archaeological study of chicken remains, such as bones and eggshell fragments, helps trace the timing, geographic origins, and cultural contexts of chicken domestication. This evidence illustrates how human societies adapted and integrated new animal species into their lives, shaping both culture and animal evolution. In summary, chickens originated from wild red junglefowl in Southeast Asia, with domestication beginning around 1500 before Common Era linked to rice agriculture. Additional domestication centers, such as northern China, also played a role in developing domestic chickens. The spread of chickens across the world followed ancient trade routes, showing their importance in human societies throughout history. Archaeological and genetic research continues to refine our understanding of this fascinating process.